we're gonna try a little something. I'm gonna try performing a VIPER cut on old girl back there. I'm a little scared about cutting into a $45,000 truck, but I guess if it doesn't work out, bumper should we come? Maybe. Stay tuned. So the first thing with doing the cut is we need to tape out this part right here. And it's gonna come along this way right here, up to this end right here. So essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out all this part right here so that way we can have a little bit more clearance for this tire over here. No rubbing. Even though I don't have any rubbing right now, I think it would look really neat. Kind of showcase what we got underneath, so let's try it.
Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm taping off the line that I want to go ahead and take. I was having a little bit of an issue here because, as you can see, there's a bit of a glare, and I'm very picky on how I wanted this to come out. So once I was happy with the line that I wanted to take, and it was masked off properly, what I went ahead and did is I jumped over to the other side, so that way I can go ahead and do what I did from this side to the opposite side. Now, one thing that I do recommend is make sure you're happy with your tape and the line that you want to take, because once you start cutting, there's no going back. Just remember that. So it's better to take your time on masking off, prepping before you cut.
This is how we have it set up here. And have it come all the way to this side right here, below that clip right there. Pretty happy with the taping. Let's see how the cut comes.
So once I started cutting on this side, it was a little bit of a breeze since I had already done the other side. My nerves weren't as bad as they were at the beginning, but this one just seemed a lot easier. The line that I took, it was a lot quicker. It went a lot smoother, and I was able to knock it out in a lot quicker time. I think this one was half the time that I did the other one. So just take your time.
So that took a little longer than I expected. Can I say it's some tough work, man? Some tough work doing this bumper cut, but here's the end result. Tell me what you guys think. Video, and I remember I completely forget to make an outro video. A few things on the cut. Make sure you have the right tools, be confident in what you're doing, and know your skill. It's a little nerve-wracking thinking, hey, cutting into a really expensive vehicle for a quick simple mod that might not be worth it. Highly recommend it for those who have a bit of a rub in the front tires. It totally takes care of any clearance that you might need for the front. Now if you have rubbing towards the back of the tire, now you might have to look into the cab mount chop. That one, can't do that with myself, so I'd have to go to a special place for that one. So all in all, very easy, very simple. Highly recommend it. Looks amazing, and if it's something that you're looking for, I suggest it 100 times over. Stay tuned to the channel, it should be fun. Several more things coming, so working on those right now. Don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Take care.